Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Ctfmon.exe not starting automatically on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Ctfmon.exe not working, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on the start menu and type here regedit. You can see a register editor. Just right click on register editor and click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Guys, in this you can see HK local machine. Just click on HK local machine, double click on that. After that you will find software, double click on software. After that you need to find Microsoft. You can see here Microsoft, double click on Microsoft. After that you need to find Windows. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here Windows, double click on Windows. After that you will find current version. You can see here current version, double click on that. After that you need to find run. After current version you need to find run. You can see here run, just click on the run. Come to the right section, right click, click on new. In this you can see here string value. Just click on string value and rename this string value as Ctfmon and hit enter. Double click on Ctfmon. Mention the value as C:32/system32/Ctfmon.exe. After setting the value data as you can see here, then click OK and close this window. After doing this, once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Ctfmon.exe not automatically starting on your Windows 11 and Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.